This is the screencast recording for our Restify bot. This is the recording for CSE 510 software engineering. Here we are building a Restify bot that will create REST URLs for particular database tables. Let's get on and I'll show you what we have done. Uh, so here now the bot is up and I'll just ping the bot. So first we'll have to configure the database and make sure that all the database details have been configured. For this we'll go to this particular link and I'll quickly configure the database. So now I've tested the connection and the connection seems to be working successfully. So I'll submit this particular database details. As you can see here, the DB connection test was successfully passed and the configuration was successful. So now let's ping the bot. So now it's giving us options whether we want to add a user, whether we want to restify a table, or we want to configure the AWS API gateway. First, we'll try to add a user. So I'll try to add myself as an admin. So this user has been successfully added to the admin group. So this user can do make changes and restify tables, etc. So let's try to restify some table. So let's try to start with the vehicles table and I'll do a get. So now we have got this endpoint and I'll try to hit a call with this endpoint. As you can see, we got the response and thus we have successfully created the REST API, created a REST API for this, and we have successfully done a call get request for it, and we have got the results. So one thing, yeah, we need to use it with an access key, and hence I've passed the access key as a header, and I've kind of done a REST get call. So now we'll see the we'll see how we can configure the AWS API gateway. We'll try to configure that. So currently we'll set to a higher limit and make sure that we can do as many calls as we can. So you can see currently we can keep on giving calls and it will keep on giving the results as we have set a very high limit. But let's try to set a lower limit. We'll wait for a couple of seconds to make sure that the changes have been reflected on the AWS side. Let's see now. So as you can see, I've already exceeded the limit and hence it is not allowing me. I've already done more than 5 calls per day while showing you previously. So it is now showing me message as limit exceeded, and the uh, throttling limit has been perfectly satisfied. Thus, we have shown you that we can add a user to an admin, make sure and that user can restify table for you and config and do configuration throttling and make changes to the throttling configuration. After that, we showed that we can testify table. We generated a rest we generated a URL for that, and we did a curl command, and we tried to show results to you. That was successful. And finally, we showed you how we have configured AWS API gateway to ensure that there is a flow limit and throttling over the REST API URL that we generated. So this is what Restify bot does. Thanks for listening. Thank you, everyone.